What's up, man? Y'all see when this red nigga? You see me with the ASAP bread? You see me with the ASAP joints, nigga? Yeah, nigga. This is Southside 4 down, nigga. Tell me that's a freestyle. Yeah, see me with the ASAP braids, bitch. I'm curled up, lacing up and blowing up the trees. Got me twirled up, I'm high as fuck, nigga. I'm smoking on that perk. My lungs about to burst and my heart about to thirst, nigga. Up on my Facebook, these bitches with the thirst, but I don't quench it, I just twitch it. Bitchin', I don't live it. I live in what I'm saying, boy, that chopper get to spraying. Angels coming from the sky, your body on the ground, laying spitting evil from a rhyme. Mind is so Knievel, nigga, riding through the motorcycle. Fuck your conglomerate, fuck your clique, nigga, fuck your piss, nigga, fuck your block, nigga. That gun go clock, nigga, that gun go rock, nigga. Timbo chop, nigga. Credible hope pop, nigga. Fuck you in your pot, nigga. Cause I'm a rider, and yeah, I stay spittin'. The toilet bowl flowing on these tracks, I ain't shittin', nigga. Not written, nigga. That's on my mind, nigga. I go insane like a rain with a blind nigga. Give me your cane, nigga. I go insane, nigga. I bring the pain, bitch, nigga. Make it rain, nigga. I'm in the club watching stripper booties with the hundreds. These niggas talking about money, I ain't seen nothing. You see the motherfucking ASAP braids. I'm in the club, all the bad bitches do is weird, but I don't know why, cause they ain't getting none of my revenue. All they do is take their ass and walk them down my avenue. Bitch, make me a stack or two and bring that ass back. And if you come back broke, I'ma lay that ass flat. And yeah, I'm going hard, the nigga should be signed out. A nigga spit so hard, nigga think I'm venomous, nigga. I'm a trimming this nigga with a gym in this nigga. The bullets flip your ass like you was an acrobat. I'm fly as fuck, black as that, but not a vampire back. I'm going ahead and turn your motherfucking hat backwards, and afterwards the chopper start that spitting. Niggas getting all shook up and they all start shitting, nigga. This is ASAP beat. Call me a one train bitch. I bring the pain, motherfucker, in the game, nigga. I'm on that loud pack. You not allowed, and I'm smoking on that motherfucking purple collar bombing, but these bullets wouldn't harm me. You got a vest, but that shit don't protect your vein like an armory check, nigga. I'm spitting bars cause a nigga gotta do it. If I don't keep it real, then nobody gon' do it. Nigga, I'm going hard. It's a motherfucking freestyle. I get up on the beat and beat that bitch up like a bastard, nigga. Who is faster with his wordplay? Not I, these niggas strong, not Popeye with I. When I hit the blunt, I'm somewhere in the clouds and I'm high shooting hoops. Your name is not allowed. You see the ASAP braids, I get the power from the hair. You see the ASAP girl, I get your power from the wear. I got that powder for the packet. I serve it up an option. Weigh it with a quarter, nigga. I ain't got a quarter, nigga. I'm going hard. Bet you niggas come and get with me. You talk shit, the chopper split like a split wiggity. Split lickety, 8 Mile chick wiggity. Going hard up in this motherfucker like a fucking brick city. I move a work up out the bitch, you call me U-Haul. I'm in the south side, nigga, that Duval. The ASAP wicked, they got me straight spitting. That's the written straight from my brain, the nigga. I'm my own critic. I don't talk about it, nigga. I just live it. If you ain't giving me my credit, nigga, go on ahead and give it or I take it. This money, I'ma make it. Your heart, bitch, I'ma break it. The game, bitch, is aching, but I keep it real with the niggas who keep it real with me. That's the code. You gotta live by that shit for free. And if you don't live by the code, you're dying like a hoe, nigga.